Hello everyone. Have you just bought a Samsung A27 and don't know how to take a screenshot? Or maybe you've already tried but couldn't get it to work? Then this video is for you. Most users only know one way to take a screenshot and don't even realize that there are faster and easier methods available. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to take a partial screenshot, take a screenshot using the buttons, take a screenshot without using the buttons, and even capture a long screenshot to save entire web pages or long conversations. So make sure to watch until the end to learn all these useful tricks and choose the method that works best for you. Now, let's not waste any time and get started. I'll show you how to quickly and easily take a screenshot on the Samsung A27.
Вадимчику, давай швидше, дитина. Вадим.